So the x-intercept, that's where the graph crosses the x-axis. We can see that it crosses twice because it opens down, has the vertex at negative 1/3, 4/3. How do we find those values?
For x-intercept?
Okay, we can graph it and use a calculator, do approximations, and hopefully get a good one. And that's possible. Okay. We can use the Pythagorean theorem on the original problem. That's probably the best way.
Wait, you can actually use that?
Okay.
A squared plus b squared equals c squared?
Yeah, or we could factor this one because it actually factors as well.
Yeah, I say we go with the Pythagorean theorem.
Pythagorean.
Did I say Pythagorean theorem?
Yes.
That's not gonna work.
I was gonna say, I didn't understand how this was a triangle, but hey.
No, let's not do that.
If he says so.
Yeah, if the teacher says we can do it, I'm
I meant to say quadratic formula.
Oh. Wait, what?
That was so close, right?
No.
Okay.
Further.
In pre-cal, we're doing a lot of Pythagorean stuff, so go ahead, last period. Let's factor it. How can you get -3?
What? I thought we were doing the quadratic.
We could do that too.
Yeah, can we do the quadratic?
Okay.
Factoring was a little.
You sound so upset.
X is equal to -b plus or minus the square root of.
Square minus 4. All over 2.
It kind of looks like the Pythagorean theorem. It's got a b squared in it. Just kidding. Okay. What do you do first?
You take out the
Do your
thing.
Discriminant.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Okay. So b squared minus 4ac. B is -2 squared minus 4 times a, which is -3,
and 1.
times c, which is 1, which gives us 4 plus 12, right?
Yes.
So 16. That's nice. The discriminant is a perfect square, which means this will have 2 rational zeros. They're going to be 2 nice ones. So now the quadratic formula. -b. -b would be
Positive 2.
2. Plus or minus the square root of 16.
4.
Plus or minus 4 over 2 times a.
-6.
Which means we have 2 answers here. We have 2 plus 4 divided by -6, or 2 minus 4 divided by -6.
Which is -1 or -1/3. Oh wait, no, positive 1/3.
Okay. 1 or 1/3. So our x-intercepts, we actually have 2 of them. We've got one at -1, 0. And we've got another one at 1/3, 0. Now, even though I just sketched my graph originally, does that kind of look like it could be somewhat in the ballpark-ish? Okay.
Ish.
With emphasis on the ish, right? Okay, so here's my graph. So I want to call that point right there. That point is 1/3, and this point right here is -1. I made it work.
Very hard for 1.
Okay. Questions, comments? Quadratic functions given to us in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a can't be 0. H equals -b over 2a. You can actually get the vertex right from the quadratic formula. If this is the quadratic formula, h equals negative b over 2a, that's the x value of the vertex. Normally, you'll hear me talk about x equals negative b over 2a because that's going to be the equation of the axis of symmetry. Well, the vertex better be on the axis of symmetry, so that's why they're the same. Whatever value you get for that, plug it into the function, and that'll give you the k value, so you now have the vertex. A lot of repeat stuff here. Number two, if a is positive, the parabola opens up. If a is negative, the parabola opens down. If the absolute value of a is less than 1, it's wide. If the absolute value of a is greater than 1, it's narrow because it's been stretched. The y-intercept, you plug in 0 for x. So basically, the y-intercept is going to be 0, c. Because if x was 0, all we have left is the c. X-intercepts, we just found it by using the quadratic formula. Always do the discriminant first. When you do the discriminant first, you only have to do the quadratic formula if the discriminant is positive. If the discriminant is negative, there's no solution. If the discriminant is 0, the vertex is the only x-intercept. Okay? So there's that. Question or stretching? I said question or stretching?
Sure.
Go.
You're moving slides on here, just not up there.
Yeah, your screen up there is just frozen. Nice.
Find the axis of the vertex, the parabola having inclusive. Yeah.
So you see stuff going on, but I don't.
Yeah.
How did that screen freeze? Stop the recording.